SportsBoxBreaks.com, coming to you live on 5/23/2025. I'm doing a hit recap from our 2024 Panini Donruss Optic football. This is the 10-box Hobby Blaster break. All right, this is gonna, all cards will ship. This is gonna show the relics, any of our silvers, rookie inserts, and of course the blue scope. So we pulled Mitchell, relic, Drake May, relic, Roman Wilson, and Akian Coleman. Silvers, Trey Benson, Dallas Turner, Roll Tide, Jaquan Jackson, and Jeremiah Trotter Jr. We pulled the Retro 2014 Drake May, and a lighted up Marvin Harrison. All right, now for the Blues. Here we go. Jordan Travis, S-Time, Reichard Roll Tide, Jatavian Sanders, Latham, Lassiter, Isaac, Chop Robinson, Jackson again, Braylon Allen, Arnold, Verse, Milton III, Rice. A little JJ action. Dylan LaBaye, Bucky Irving, Maurice Liafau, Jamari Thrash, Will Shipley, Marshawn Lloyd, Rakestraw, Spencer Rattler, Cooper DeJean Mustard, Torrey Taylor. So a punter and a kicker here. Ben Sinnott, Chris Jenkins, Dejon Edwards, Ricky Pearsall, and we did get a Jaden Daniels. All right, appreciate you guys filling it up. I'll get it shipped out in the next shipping batch out of PA.